What's the matter? Where are you gonna hide it? Huh? Where are you gonna hide it? You don't know where to hide your stick?
I open up at 4 a.m. and as you can see, we are intensely active. And people say, Carolyn, what's your secret? And I say, it's the proper diet, proper exercise. I've been taking balance and nature for several years.
Come here.
Want to hide it on the couch, honey?
Come here.
Start your journey with
Come here.
Balance Basic Supplement.
Come here, girl.
Get 35% off plus $10 off
Angel.
any
Come here.
additional set.
We'll put it on the couch.
First order as a preferred
Come here.
customer. By using
Angel.
discount
Come here.
code
Angel, honey.
Fox News.
Come here. I'll
See,
put it up on
Mommy.
the couch. Come here, baby.
We need life insurance.
We'll hide it on the couch.
Life
We'll
can
hide it on the
change
couch.
quickly.
Uppy.
That's why Select Quote makes
Uppy.
it easy to
Come on,
get
put
the
it up on the
life
couch.
insurance coverage you
Uppy.
need to protect
Come on.
your
Yeah, help her
family
up.
for
Uppy.
less
Uppy.
than $1 a
Uppy.
day.
Select
Help
Quote
her
got
up.
me a $500,000 term life policy for only $18 a
Hide
month.
it.
We could help you save 50% or more on life
Nope.
insurance.
She don't want to go there.
You need life insurance. You don't
Where do you
need
wanna go?
overpay for it.
Where you want to hide it, honey?
Huh?
CMPD isn't pretty. Out breath and often out of the picture.
Where?
This is a mystery. And with once daily Trelegy, it can simply boost
You
your
want to go outside tonight?
because with 3 medicines in one
Where are you gonna hide it?
keeps
Huh?
your airways open for a full
Where are you gonna hide it?
and prevents future flare-ups.
No, where are you going?
Also improves lung function, so I can breathe more freely all day.
You know what? She doesn't have her blankets on the floor.
There's a blanket on the floor. Maybe she wants to do that.
Angel. Angel.
Come here,
Angel.
Angel. Well, hide it in your blanket.
Angel.
Hide it in your blanket.
Here.
Ask your doctor about once daily Trelegy for COPD because breathing should be beautiful all day, every day.
Eyes feeling dry, tired, stressed. Get a boost of moisture with BioTrue Hydration Boost Eye Drops for longer throughout the day. They're preservative-free, gentle, and made with naturally inspired ingredients. Stay BioTrue to your eyes.
Oh, you don't have her door open on this thing.
Yeah, she's putting in her blanket.
This is a Fox weather alert. A winter storm warning issued for 35 million Americans across the Northeast.
And the storm could impact turnout for today's special election in Missouri. All this going on, people. Fox Weather is live at Hartford, Connecticut, where snow is really coming down. That was alarm. Thank you. No, bye, Kevin.
Hey guys, yeah, the snow, I mean, it's just really stacking up. The last time that I talked to you all, we didn't have nearly so much snow as we have right now. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how
Oh,
big
you
the
hid it.
slopes are, but
It's
they're
all hidden.
massive. So bands of heavy snow pushing
Is
through.
that where you want to hide it, huh?
Just how much snow we measure, because across the city of Hartford, we have kind of a range. At least right here in downtown, we're looking at about 5 inches. So that's what we're kind of seeing, 4.5, about 5 inches. What's interesting though is that some spots on the west side of
Good
Hartford,
job.
we picked up
Good
7
job.
to 7.5 inches. The east side,
Good job.
4 inches. So it really just kind of depends on
Yeah,
where
good
you're
job.
located. The snow's coming down good right now, but the good thing is that it'll be ending by about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Make sure to follow the latest updates at Fox Weather. You can watch Fox Weather on your favorite connected TV device. Back to you guys.
You can indeed. Kendall, thank you very much.
Now what?
This morning, Fox Weather
Huh?
is your
Now what?
Storm HQ. Go to Fox
Now what?
TV. With that,
Now what?
streaming live, always on, always free. You can follow it all morning between Fox Weather and JD. Or we could go to the 12th floor.
Good girl.
The studio. See that? But
Now what are you gonna do?
So we walked
Huh?
this morning with slushy. You couldn't really see it wasn't sticking. It's turning to water. Now we have some white stuff.
right, we'll keep you updated. Memphis is
So you buried that one, right?
seeing the worst
So now I bet you want another one,
history last year. We nearly
You know,
don't
she
you?
probably wants her, she probably wants her bed opened up so she can hide one in there. Oh, later.
You want another one. So what are you gonna do with this one? You gonna eat this one?
Shelby County. What do I think right now? with all these criminals on the street, and they continue to put them back on the street.
Yeah, so unfortunately, I think we're kind of living in two different cities right now. I'm in constant conversation with D.A. Mulroy and his ADAs, and they keep on showing me data that's inconsistent with reality of what's
What are you
going
doing
on
with this
here
one?
with us. You can ask anyone, go around anywhere. It's just two different mindsets.
Here, look. Your
and it's
thing is open. Come here.
As a
Come here.
result, we're literally being held
Come here.
hostage by
Angel,
about
look.
1% of the criminals
Look.
out there.
You talk
Over
to
here.
the residents
It's
on a
open.
day-to-day basis. What do they want
You bury it in there.
anymore?
They want, if a bad person commits a bad crime, they want that person
Is
in
it
jail.
here?
Pure and simple.
You
It's
put it
not
in there?
a lot to ask for.
Why is that so hard?
Wanna put it in your bed?
You put it in your bed.
You got the mayor who's been very
Say, look, your bed is open.
Yeah, so I think what's
Your bed
happening,
is open.
not just here in Memphis, but across the country, is there's
Nope.
a social experiment being conducted in real time in our courtrooms
You're supposed to
and
put it
in our
in this
jails, and we're playing with people's lives. And people are sick of it, and I think some of them have great ideas, but let's leave those to the classroom. Let's take them out of the courtroom.
Such a great point. State Representatives, thank you so much. The social experiment, man, that's going all across the country. After the show, we'll head to St. Louis, talk with some folks there about what's happening there, and then from there, we'll go to Washington, D.C. We'll be covering it all week, guys. I'll send it back to you in New York.
Lars, how do you feel about missing the snow here?
Yeah, cover it over with lots of dirt.
Yeah, I'm missing
Cover it over.
Cover it over.
It's okay. It's perfectly fine.
We got something here last night.
Yeah, yeah.
Gotta put it in the suede if it's gonna snow. It's done for good. Indeed.
Lawrence is a great dresser, and he does have some shoes with suede
Nobody's
on.
gonna find it, Angel. Nobody will find it.
But then when we put them on
You can't find it now.
when it rains, how does that happen?
Good point.
Are horses suede?
No, they're not this way.
No.
It's a cow.
They're fair.
Oh, there's race there.
Oh,
I'm
wait,
safe.
are you riding cows now? All right, coming up on this Tuesday, the White House refusing to commit to having Joe Biden's doctor attest to his mental acuity. They can't persuade him to do that.
And round two, the House would state to hold the Senate vote on impeaching Mayorkas.
Congressman Martin Green is a doctor and is leading the Mayorkas impeachment effort. He reacts to both next. Brian, what are you teaching the kids about?
TurboTax makes all your moves count, whether you bought a house or started an award-winning TV show.
Good job.
We guarantee 100%
Good job.
accurate taxes.
Good job.
That's Connie. Hey, Connie.
Hi there.
Pause.
Now what? Huh? Now what? Now what? Huh? Okay, 2 sticks and you hit them both. So now what? Huh? What do you want now? Now you're just gonna sit there? You still recording?